Let's take a tour of my organized family room, and please excuse my disgusting dog. Did not notice that when I was shooting the video. Now this space has zero built-in storage, so I've really had to be smart, like adding this graduated bookcase there in the corner. You will notice under the mirror there is a nice console with baskets for hidden storage that actually has all of the kids' video games and accessories tucked away. I don't have to see them, but they are close to where they need them. You will see the dog toys in the corner in the basket. In the other corner, we have the magazines, catalogs in the basket, and then blankets that you always need in a room if you get chilly, stacked up there in the back. And behind the couch, I actually made a fake little shelf. Well, it's a real shelf, but it's supposed to look like a sofa table rather, but it's not. That's just a piece of wood on top of some brackets. There's a little basket to hold all of the remotes, so there is truly a place for everything in this space. So there you have it. This is my organized family room.